welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm so excited to talk to you about this here wig. I'm actually really excited to talk to you about a new launch of colors from Jon Renau, and I've been really waiting a long time for colors like this, so I'm super psyched. Jon Renau has or is launching some gorgeous ombre balayage type colors. They are calling them their Cascading Color Collection, and they are beautiful. Like, I want to try all of them, but this one here I'm pretty in love with, especially on this particular style. I've only tried this style one other time, and I fell in love with it, not just because of the name, but because I really like the style. This is Amber by Jon Renau, and it's gorgeous in this here shade. This shade is called Solstice. So Amber in the color Solstice. Now, the Cascading Color Collection, they have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new colors, cascading colors, and it's launching November 1st. First of all, let's talk about Amber, and then we'll dive into the Cascading Color Collection. A lot of you guys know about the Amber wig from Jon Renau. It is a bestseller. I can see why. It is just classically beautiful. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. Let's do a full turnaround of Amber so you can see her from all angles. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? I love her. Okay, so Amber. Amber by Jon Renau has your smart lace front. You have your monofilament top, and then it's wefted throughout the rest of this cap. With this color, you have this number 18 shaded root, and I feel like it looks fantastic up in the roots. It's not like a little root, really. It's kind of that ombre, but I feel like it has that balayage look to it, the way that it graduates and cascades into the rest of this beautiful blend, and it looks really great at the roots, I feel. Here's a closer look of that, if you guys can see. You can part it every which way because of that monofilament top with this Amber wig. And with this Amber style, you have really pretty layers, soft, gorgeous waves, and these curls, these loose curls. It's described as wavy / curly because it does have these layers and these very loose curls. The product weight for Amber is 5.8 ounces. Your front is 9 inches. Your crown is 12 inches. Your sides are 13.5 inches. And your nape is 15.5 inches. So this does have some good length on this long wig. The density on Amber is medium light. I would say this isn't like stringy light. This is medium for me, and I think it looks very natural. It's not overly thick by any means. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's perfect. I love Amber by Jon Renau. This cap size is average. It fits me really well from ear to ear, from front to nape. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits true average in size. This is their normal synthetic fiber, so you do not want to use heat tools. You want to be mindful of ovens and excessive heat. You do not want to melt this fiber. You want to use products meant for synthetic fiber, such as the Jon Renau hair care, and you want to use your wide tooth comb. This is going to, be softer and more gentle on the synthetic fiber. It's going to help it last longer, and it's going to help it look better longer as well. This is from the Jon Renau Smart Lace Collection. Now, these gorgeous, beautiful cascading colors are available in a number of existing styles. So take a look at the styles that they are now available in. So you do have quite a variety of options. Do take note though, with these new ombre, balayage, you know, cascading colors, they're gonna look different. The way the light hits various styles depending on the length, the style, the curl, whether it's straight, those cascading colors are they're gonna look different on those different styles. I mean, if it's bone straight, the way that it's going to look versus on a very curly style, it's gonna look different. And that's the way colors are. So just always remember that. This type of color, it's going to look very different on a bob or something that's very straight. If you want a closer look at amber, let's get just a quick closer look. You have that smart lace front, you have that monofilament top. This is individually hand tied. You can part it every which way. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. You can wear it off the face, but you do have kind of a layered, wispy side swept bang. You have your open wefted back that's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation with this type of cap construction. And then you do have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire. You do have a velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape to help the wig fit your head more true to size. Just adjust that and help it feel more secure. And looking at this color, you can see the graduation. Actually, let me pull that off. So this color again is called Solstice. And you can clearly see this has kind of that balayage appearance with that blonde that does kind of show up in that upper shaded area. It's really, really pretty. See that? So this is Solstice. The code for that is S18-60. So S18-60/102R0. So this here color that it's shaded with is the number 18. That is a dark natural ash blonde. That's what this is considered, is a dark natural ash blonde right here. And then what you have is your pure, oh, I have it written down. You have your pure white, which is your number 60, and a pale natural blonde, which is your 102. I love that blend down here. It is so beautiful. And the combination of your natural ash blonde and then the blend down here, it's so pretty. And then on this amber, the way that the waves just really blend and go so well with the way that the hair cascades, the color cascades. It's just beautiful. I love it. Okay, so let's put this back on. So pretty. So this is amber in the color Solstice, and we have some other colors too. So I don't have them with me, but I'm going to talk about them. Okay, let's talk about Sunshine. Sunshine is the code S14-26/88RO. You have your number 14 root, which is your medium natural ash blonde. Then you have a blend of 26 and 88. 26 is your medium red gold blonde. And then you have 88, which is your natural gold blonde. This is a beautiful blend. And then you have that cascading ombre balayage look. Next we have Fawn. Fawn is beautiful. You know, you have that ombre balayage. The code for that is S8-18/26RO. You have a root of 8. So you have that shaded root 8. And then you have 18-26. 18 is that dark natural ash blonde. So basically, okay, 18, to give you an idea. This is 18. You have that dark natural ash blonde, and it's a blend with number 26. That's the medium red gold blonde. So pretty. Next up is Autumn. Autumn is the code S6-14 30A27RO. You have a root number 6. 30 is medium natural red, and then you have red gold blonde. This is such a beautiful, warm, autumn, fallish shade, and I really want to try this color. Next up is Sunrise, and it's similar to autumn, but you have more of that red coppery in it. So it's kind of like that, but you have a darker root of number 4. It's S428/32RO, and then you have 2832 blend. You have light natural red blonde, which is the 28, and you have 32, which is medium natural red. So that one is Sunrise. And then lastly, you have your darkest and coolest cascading color out of the group. And this is S2-103/18RO. You have the darkest root, which is number 2. And you have 103-18. 103 is your platinum blonde, and 18 is your natural ash blonde. Again, we're at 18, natural ash blonde, but then you have that blend with it of 103, that platinum blonde, and then you have that dark root of number 2, that shaded dark root of number 2. So definitely Midnight is your darker, cooler of the cascading colors. You have, you know, your options of very warm autumn, Sunrise, you know, yeah, Sunrise, autumn, very rich, warm shades. You have Sunshine, Fawn, and Solstice. Beautiful, beautiful cascading colors from Jon Renau. They all launch November 1st. This one right here is Solstice, and this here wig is Amber. I love Amber, and I love Solstice. I'd love to try the other colors by Jon Renau in the Cascading collection. I think it's amazing that they've chosen to add this beautiful color collection to everything that they have available. Anyway, what do you guys think about Solstice? What do you think? What are your thoughts on Amber? She's really popular. Are you an Amber by Jon Renau fan? Let me know. It is a favorite of mine, even though I have just one other. But she's still a favorite. I love Amber. I think it's a beautiful style. Anyway, I hope I didn't forget anything. Also, you guys, this is kind of a side note, but there are 3 grays, beautiful grays launching. It's kind of unrelated to the cascading colors, but on November 14th, there are 3 beautiful grays launching. So I thought I'd just throw that out there. If you are looking for gorgeous grays, take a gander at the 3 grays launching November 14th by Jon Renau. In fact, I can let you guys know what those are. Peppercorn, Moonlight, and Mist. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful grays, November 14th. But as far as these cascading, gorgeous colors, they are launching November 1st. And this one right here is Amber in Solstice. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys can find Jon Renau products at many brick and mortar locations and online locations. I will have a store locator down below. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll help in any way I can. Go follow on Instagram. And, you know, thank you for following. Thank you for your support. And again, I appreciate you guys. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.